In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add QR codes to Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted to turn website links, product IDs, or any pieces of text into scannable codes directly in your spreadsheet, this method is quick, free, and doesn't require any add-ons. Start by opening Google Sheets in the spreadsheet where you want the QR codes to appear. You can use an existing sheet or a new one. Make sure the information you want to convert to a QR code is already in a cell. In this example, I'll assume the text or URL you want to encode is in cell A9, but feel free to use whichever cell makes sense for your sheet. Click the cell where you want the QR code image to show up. This is usually in a column next to your data, so everything lines up neatly. Picking a clear spot now makes it easier to copy the formula later if you're working with multiple rows. Now, type the formula that generates the QR code image. Enter exactly this. Image https quickchart.io QR text A9N and size 200 on format PNG. Here's what it does. The image function in Google Sheets displays an image from a web address right inside the cell. That web address points to a QR code generated by a free service. The text parameter passes the content of A9 into the QR code. The size parameter controls the image dimensions, in this case 200 pixels, and format tells it to return a PNG image. If your data isn't in A9, replace A9 with the correct cell reference. If your text includes spaces or special characters, you can improve reliability by wrapping the reference with encode URL like encode URL A9 so the link is formatted correctly. Press enter and your QR code will appear in the cell. If it looks too small or gets cut off, simply increase the column width and row height so the code is easy to scan. You can also adjust the size value in the formula to make the QR code larger or smaller. If you plan to create a QR code for each row of data, copy the formula down the column. It will automatically update the cell references. Make sure you're connected to the internet because the image is fetched from the web. To test it, scan the code with your phone's camera or a QR app and confirm it points to the exact text or link from your sheet. And that's it. With just one formula, you can generate clean, scannable QR codes right inside Google Sheets.